Hi everyone, I'm Manish and I welcome you all again to my YouTube channel DataWise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Lollipop chart. And if you want to continue to receive these updates, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for further notifications. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to take example of the global superstore dataset, and the fields that I'm going to use to create the Lollipop chart are market and sum of profit. So to create a Lollipop chart, what we need to do is we first need to create a bar chart, and that's what we are going to start with. So I created a bar chart with market and sum of profit as the measure. Now I'm just going to rotate this, and what I will do is I will duplicate the data item here. Uh, in the first metric, what we will do is we'll change this to bar, and in the second metric, what we will do is we'll change this to circle. And that is the first step to creating the Lollipop chart. Next step, what we will do is we will right click on the second metric, which is sum of profit, and click on dual axis so that it becomes a dual axis chart. I will turn the show header to off for the second chart, and we are getting closer to making it look like a Lollipop chart now. So what we will do now is just resize these two matrices, and that is it. We are trying to actually make it a little narrow. And for the second one, what we are going to do is we are maybe going to just increase the size a little. And this is going to be hit and trial for you. Whatever looks really visually appealing to you is what you can go with. And then we will go to the all marks card and we will put market into color. So this is how it looks, guys. To make it further better, what we can do is sort it down on sum of profit descending. So when we do that, then this is going to look a much neater. If you see these edges in there, what we need to do is we need to actually resize these a little further to make it a little smooth, right? So once we do these, you'll see that these edges go away. And that is how it is, guys. Pretty simple chart, but then it looks really visually appealing. So that is for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and learned something new today. Bye for now and stay tuned.